Here I'm contemplating how this could have happened. But in hindsight, it was obvious that this would happen. It just slipped off. But I put it back together and got to working on some sides that would hold this V-shaped construction in place.